Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a payment link on your Stan store. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you have a Stan store membership, just a creator one, then you will only have this option. So it would be going to my store and choosing landing pages. And here, that's what I suggest to do for a payment link. Just go ahead, create a landing page. So you're gonna choose which one of the products fits you the best. If you want to go ahead and have a monthly payment, then you're gonna choose recurring memberships. If not, you're gonna choose any of these products. So for example, maybe you want to create a webinar, which costs like $10. So you're gonna add an image. As you can see here, a pixel size, if you want to add your own. And then you're gonna write down description, title, body, bottom title right there, and the price and what information you're gonna collect. Most of the time it's just the name and an email. Then you're gonna publish. You can go ahead and do a reminder. You can go ahead and add an order bump if you have a Creator Pro account. And there's also some other things which you can add. You can go ahead and connect your MailChimp here. And after that, you're just going to go ahead and publish it. Now, after you have published it, you will see these three dots right there. So you're going to click on it and you can copy URL and paste it somewhere and share it with your customers with this payment link. You can also move it to the store so others could see it on your store here. So that's pretty much it how you can do this. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.